I'm back with a tractor. This is, I guarantee you, not real exciting stuff, but it's what I'm doing. All this stuff's on a pallet, but the tractor's too tall. I can't get it under here with it. I still had that. I still had that little baby boomer I was working on the other day. I can get under here. That's a neat little old tractor for a little old tractor. I may not put this in my attic. Termites have found it. It's a big shot. I don't see any active ones. That was considered. It'll build me a dang on fire. To back my tail up under. Or to back my tail up to. I tell you what, fella ought to clean up every 10 or 15 years. Huh, ain't termites. Show you what that is. I sort of feel bad I've messed him up. See the little wood trails I was looking at? You see the little make good fish bait. If I ever took time to go fishing. If I ever took time to go fishing, that'd make good fish bait. You know, it ain't like I got a acre and a half lake in my backyard. That would make it quick, easy, and efficient to go fishing. I wonder what kind of moth or butterfly. Wonder what kind of moth or butterfly that thing would become. If there's any smart folks in the watching, y'all put it in the comments. What kind of moth or butterfly would that make? Y'all put it in the comments. What moth or butterfly that thing would make. Now you get out of the way. Let me move this tractor out the way. Let's see if I can not dump the wood off the forks. We're on the case now, so let's see if we can make our way up the hill to now drop off this plywood. Pick up that stuff I got to put under the shelter. There we go. Looks like my orange trees is gonna make it. Let's see if I can dump this junk. That wasn't pretty, but it's off the forks. Alright, yeah, I went ahead and pre-lifted my lift, got it on the right spot. Ooh, I went under the wrong set, didn't I? I got to back up. You know, I was running a thing, tractor and lift, one-handed holding the camera. Of course, I reckon, or left or right, two-handed. That's an ugly pickup. See y'all down the hill. Alright, let's see. Probably gonna need a couple of these bricks. I don't know where I'm gonna need them at yet. We'll try to center them on that post and secure them to that post. And then maybe they'll just stay. Keep going. In case y'all wondering, that's a set of like construction scaffolding. And no, I'm not in the construction business. I just accumulate a lot of stuff. All right. I don't stay there. Raise up. Let's put a, see if I can arrange a few things. All right. That would sit there till it don't. ain't even looked in the old toolbox I messed around and uncovered. It feels like there's plenty of dang tools in there. Yeah. See, that's why, this is why I was putting this in the trash can. I was putting this in the trash can and I thought, hey, don't throw that away. Guess what that'll do? That'll tie these up and keep them from falling over on you. So see, the moment, I didn't need that, that laid there forever. The moment I about threw it away, I come up with a use for it. All right, I ain't gonna bore y'all enough. I gotta do something with that junk on the table. And I'll be done with this. I might bring y'all back when I move the little tractor under here.